Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss the topic of the non-action or stative verbs. So let's get started. When we talk about the non-action or stative verbs, we talk about the verbs that are non-progressive and they do not take an inflection ing. So let's take a look at our example here. Lindsay is baking a cake now. And we have two possible continuations. So the first one is, she needs some help, or she is needing some help. So which one would be a correct one? So let's take a look again at our example. Lindsay is baking a cake now. So we can tell that the sentence is used in present progressive form. We have now and we have the form baking, ing. So probably we need to use the same, and we have to use the second example. She is needing some help. However, the correct answer is she needs some help. So we are using needs in present simple. And you would ask the question, why do we use present simple if we have now? And the answer is that the word needs is a stative verb. We have a whole list of common non-progressive verbs. Some of them refer to emotions, and they are need, want, prefer, dislike, hate, love, like. The other ones express mental states, like believe, know, recognize, remember, understand, realize, desire. And some of them refer to possession or senses, like belong, own, possess, hear, sound, seem, and owe. So remember, even if you use these verbs in the present continuous form, you cannot use the ending ing because they are non-progressive verbs. Another example here is, James is eating a salad now. So we have the present continuous form, but we continue with the present simple. We say he prefers healthy food. For dessert, James wants a chocolate ice cream cone. So we use prefers and wants. We do not use is preferring or is wanting. It's incorrect. Prefer and want are stative verbs. Another conversation here is between Olivia and Cindy. Hello, Cindy. Do you recognize me? Yes, I remember you. Your name is Olivia, right? Yes, I know you as well. So again, the words recognize, remember, and know are used in present simple. We do not say recognizing, remembering, or knowing. These words are stative verbs. Do you hear that sound? What is it? It seems that some bird is singing on a tree. Again, we use hear and seems. We do not say it's seeming because, again, these words are non-progressive. And finally, if we want to wrap it all out, let's take a look at some other examples here that are very common. So, for example, the verb like. So the correct form would be to say, I like milk chocolate. And we don't say I am liking milk chocolate. The next one would be Natalie has a new car. We do not say Natalie is having a new car. And the last is perfumes smell good. The incorrect form would be perfumes are smelling good. So the verbs like, has, and smell are stative verbs. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you really liked it, please don't forget to share it with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on social media. And we'll see you next time. Goodbye.